You talk every day, yet feel more misunderstood than ever. Words are spoken, explanations are given, but somehow the message never reaches the heart. Conversations end with frustration, not clarity. Over time, this gap in understanding creates emotional distance, making you wonder how two people can speak so much and still feel so alone. Jesus sees the exhaustion that comes from trying to be heard and never truly understood. The Bible gently reminds us everyone should be quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to become angry. James 1, verse 19. True understanding begins not with listening heart, but with a listening heart. Jesus calls us to pause, to hear beyond words, and to notice the pain behind the tone. When communication breaks down, love can feel fragile. Yet Scripture teaches love is patient, love is kind. It keeps no record of wrongs. 1 Corinthians 13, verse 4-5. Patience in conversation is not weakness. It is strength rooted in love. Kind words and gentle responses open doors that forceful speech never can. Jesus also reminds us where peace truly comes from. Peacemakers who sow in peace reap a harvest of righteousness. James 3, verse 18. Understanding grows when pride steps aside and humility leads the way. Not every conversation needs to be one. Some need to be healed. This morning, Jesus invites you to lay down the need to be right and pick up the desire to be loving. Ask Him to guide your words, soften your tone, and open your ears. When Christ shapes your communication, hearts begin to meet, walls begin to fall, and understanding slowly replaces frustration.